All right, so today we are finally doing it. We're making the music video. That's right. This is actually a pretty big moment for me because we're officially pivoting the channel from Suno simplified to Suno visualized. That's right, we're going to take things a little further. But don't worry, we're still talking about Suno, we're still enhancing our music. But instead of just creating songs, we're taking a step further and bringing those songs to life. So for this video, I'm going to take one of my own Suno tracks and turn it into a fully lip-synced AI music video from start to finish. No cameras, no actors, and no expensive gear, just me and my imagination with some AI tools, a bit of planning, and a workflow that's becoming surprisingly easy. And honestly, if you've ever generated a great song in Suno and thought to yourself, now what? This is the missing piece. Because by the end of this video, I think you'll see exactly how I organize everything, how I create consistent characters, how I build a storyboard, how I generate those lip sync clips, even creating B-roll and editing it all together in CapCut to have that final polished music video. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that save you a heap of time and improve your results dramatically. So let's stop talking about it and start doing this thing. Let's visualize this song. So in phase one is the project setup. Now, before we touch Suno, Kling, or all the other video AI tools, we have to get organized. And trust me, as much as this is boring, this is one of the biggest time savers in the entire process. This is the hack of all hacks. So you need to create a master folder. And in that master folder, you need to create 3 folders. There's audio, there's images, and video. And that's it. Really simple, nice and easy. Because the reason I do this is because once you start generating assets, things get a little bit messy, they get a little bit complicated real quick. And you'll end up with dozens of audio files and hundreds of images and a mountain of video clips. And if you don't have a system now, you'll be searching for files later and you may not create everything that you want to create. So nobody wants to waste time. Nobody wants to spend 20 minutes looking for verse 1, final cut, B, actual draft. So let's just stay organized from the start. So here's my project folder. It's called Life. And in my master folder, I have the sections for audio, image, and video. So audio will have the segments that I wish to put in there. There's the chorus, there's a verse. So chorus has 1 and 2. So there's chorus 1 and 2. There's verse 1 and 2. And then there's spoken if you need to have a rap or any other audio that you're wishing to put in there. In images, we're going to go and do your characters, avatars, and then in the video is going to be your B-roll, close-ups. There's going to be a drafts folder for when you make the music video draft. You need a folder to dump all that into so then you can see a final version before you publish it. You've got other shots in here. There's a medium shot, there's a wide shot. So that's how I organize my master folder.